So, hey guys, I think these are some slimes you should buy off of Amazon. So I'm going to review all of them. So this one's Crystal Glitter Putty. And it's like slime, but like just sparkly and clear. And it does not ever get old. Like, look. But it does kind of smell funny. Kind of like fart slime too. Well, not like fart, kind of like air and fart slimes mixed. Okay. Next slime is this blue slime. I don't remember what this slime is called, but apparently it went bad, so don't buy this slime. I regret buying this. Look. I'm gonna go wash my hands. It might be a little, so I'll see y'all. And I'm not going to like pause it or anything because I don't do that. So I'll just see y'all. Okay, I'm back. I don't know how long I was gone there. Yeah, don't ever buy that slime. Next, unicorn snow slime. Unicorn / birthday cake. Snow slime. It smells like birthday cake. And it's unicorn. That looks weird on camera. See, this one's perfectly fine. Just snow slime. Snow slime. Snow slime. Snow slime. And this one is kind of sticky. I would buy it, but it's honestly up to you. It kind of have poking noises like. Okay, next slime's coming up. I don't know if y'all know what kind of slime this is, but I do. This is butter slime. The reason why I have it in different containers is because my sister has the same kind. She didn't want hers in a different container. And this is kind of butter slime and kind of not. But it is really soft. Not really, kind of stretchy. But it is fun to squeeze and rub because it's so soft. And you can add lotion in this to make it even more soft. But I think it's better just the way it is. I'm going to try to make a bubble. Oh, I can't make bubbles with it. And I haven't played with these slimes in a long time. So I'm surprised most of these are not old. I almost did a bubble. Oh, I did a little one. And then one thing I like about this slime, it will make bubble sounds. So, these are 4 slimes I think you should buy, honestly. Gotta do the thumbnail.